Hello again, everybody. This is Dave from Boxing Exclusive Collectibles, back for another trading card preview and pack break. Today, I've literally had these sitting near my desk for about, I would say, 2 months now. Want to kind of take a look at these cards, see what I get out of them, see if we get anything decent. But I do. One of my favorites is the Select football, so we're gonna check these out. We're gonna take a quick look. It's not gonna take too long, so. Thanks for the company. Appreciate you. Hope everybody's doing well. All right, Jordan Anderson. I'm sorry, Jordan Addison has started. Amari Cooper, DeAndre Swift, base. These are great looking cards, though. Ramondre Stevenson, Justin Herbert, die cut. Nice little insert. Keanu Benton. Refractor rookie, die cut. Will Lewis, Titans, die cut. Brian Burns, a little fuzz on that one. Brian Burns, die cut. CJ Stroud, rookie card. Yay. Great way to start us out. Dak Prescott, numbers insert. Select certified. Jalen Carter, rookie card. Turbocharged, Cooper Kupp. Tyree Wilson, Jackson Smith, Najiba. Brenton Strange, rookie card. Great way to start us off, even if some of them are base. It's always nice to see. All right, let's make way for the second pack. Jaden Reed, Derrick Henry, Puka Nakua, rookie die cut. Refractor. CJ Stroud, die cut refractor. Let's put that off to the side. That's fantastic. Lamar Jackson, die cut. Luke Schoonmaker, die cut refractor. Future, Bijan Robinson, rookie insert. Numbers, Bryce Young, rookie. Select certified, Marvin Mims, rookie. Turbocharged, Stephon Diggs, insert. Tyreek Hill, we just got a lot of great players in here. Now, Tyreek Hill, base. Puka Nakua, again, rookie. Paris Johnson, Cam Smith, Rashawn Johnson. All right, just about halfway through. Pretty cool if we got an auto. Well, we definitely got the rookies everyone's looking for. All right, Travis Kelce, Zay Flowers, Jaleel McLaughlin, rookie. Josh Jacobs, die cut. Tyree Wilson, die cut, rookie refractor. Sam Laporta, rookie die cut. Jordan Battle, rookie die cut. Isaiah Pacheco, future insert. DeAndre Swift, numbers insert. CJ Stroud, rookie card, selects certified. Another CJ Stroud, rookie card. Puka Nakua, turbocharged, rookie. Tua Tagava, I can't say his name. Daniel Whelan, rookie. Tommy DeVito. Drew Sanders, rookie. So we got a few CJ Strouds in here, among a lot of other cards. All right, two of these left. Justin Jefferson, Mohamed Diabate, Dontavian Wicks, Bryce Young, die cut, rookie. Refractor, Rashawn Johnson, rookie, die cut. Stephon Diggs, die cut refractor. Ramondre Stevenson, die cut refractor. Jared Goff, numbers. Select certified, rookie. Jamer Gibbs, turbocharged insert. DK Metcalf. Brees Hall, future insert. Blake Group, rookie. Brian Breesy, CeeDee Lamb. How about them Cowboys? Zach Shabanitz. And I think we did all right out of these. I purposely left these aside for me, but they've been literally sitting on my desk for a month, 2 months, something like that. But definitely worth the wait. Kean White, Baker Mayfield, Joe Klecko, die cut. Clayton Tune, die cut refractor. Otis Olave, die cut. Tyler Algier, die cut refractor. Future Kenneth Walker, the third insert. Numbers. Tank Dell, rookie. Select certified. Rashee Rice, rookie card. Turbocharged Devon Achane. Stephon Diggs, base. Christian McCaffrey, Chris Rodriguez Jr., Aiden O'Connell, and Jonathan Mingo. Well, I think we did well out of these ones. I appreciate you taking a look with me. These are beautiful looking cards, but you can definitely pull some great rookie cards out of them. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe. Check out our websites, and we'll see you next time.